Just a second.
Ooh. Scrumptious.
It's the life of Atlanta where we all make dreams, where we have abilities to be who we want to be. But fantasies fade and get lost in the limelight. So this is the real world inside of Atlanta nights. It's the life of Atlanta where we all make dreams, where we have abilities to be who we want to be. But fantasies fade and get lost in the limelight. So this is the real world inside of Atlanta nights.
Who? Aaliyah, Jasmine, Mom with y'all. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is Trucker Dad here, and
Trucker Dad's wife.
we're here. We're gonna make our Hit Dem Folkz chicken. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the kids love it. That's what they do every time I make the chicken. They hit them folks. I don't know. I guess I'm getting old. What about you, honey?
No, I'm still young.
You still young? I guess we know Dad one time. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna walk out through the steps on how to make our Hit Dem Folkz chicken.
Go on.
First step in the Hit Dem Folkz chicken. You see, we had to wash our hands. You just saw. You gotta keep the hygiene. You touching food, you always wanna wash your hands. Second step, we're going over here to our pre-marinated chicken. Not gonna tell you what's in there. Just know it's some family stuff going on there, and I'm trying to tell you, make you wanna hit them folks. Yeah. Then over here, we've got our flour bowl. Well, I've mixed in my secret little spices in there and everything, so we can get that going. And then when we get the barbecue sauce going, we're gonna put it in this one. Okay? And we're also gonna have some French fries. So just, said, yeah, let me see what we're gonna do. Got some orata, crinkly cut French fries and whatnot. We're gonna do these. This is what I do when I come home, how I take care of my family, and I hit them folks. Alright, first thing we're doing when I hit the folks chicken, we're putting on rubber gloves like we're going to surgery, because we're touching raw chicken. We're gonna open up our bowl, set that off to the side over here, open up our flour bowl. Go in here and grab a couple pieces of chicken. You know what I'm saying? I cut mine. I like the drums. A lot of people like flats, but I like the drums. Now after we've done floured our chicken, you see, with something like that, it's gonna come out. He says it's got all the seasoning and spices on there and everything. Yeah. So now we come over to our grease that we've got prepped to 350, and we're gonna start our Hit Dem Folkz chicken.
What's on there? This is some of them after they came out of the grease, and this is before they get tossed around and dipped in the delicious sauce. Second batch, baby. Mouth watering, can't wait to eat some of these bad boys. You could just smell. You smell it, honey?
Okay, now that we got our chicken almost all the way done, these last ones are gonna be just for me because I'm doing a special batch just for myself that I like. I'm putting a little heat on mine. So I'm gonna take those and then we're gonna put them in the barbecue sauce for the Hit Dem Folkz wings.
Don't those look delicious? I tried a few, and they're really, really, really good. Secret ingredient, I'm not about to show you what that is. Some more in here, cooking away. That they look delicious. Almost done. Well, some of them are almost done. The ones that are going to have barbecue sauce in them. are almost done.
Now it's time to shake it up. Okay. Yeah, we have kids, so it's always crazy around here.
Definitely. So if you hear any little voices, just one of the 1,000 kids we have.
Right. Yeah.
Getting ready to put some more in.
Yeah. I know what y'all thinking. Why don't you just get in there with your hands? I mean, you can do that, but I'm already fully committed with these tongs right now, so I'm just gonna stay what I'm fully committed with.
Less mess too.
Yeah.
Oh, even just smells delicious.
Well, I'm glad it smells good to you, honey.
Yes. Made with love. Shake it up.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Second batch. Let's take a look. Oh yeah.
Then have to add some more sauce to the mixture.
These ones are still rolling away all day. Oh yeah. Smell just delicious. Yeah. Yeah. Should I get it?
Okay, there we go.
Let's take a look. Aren't your lips watering?
Go put this.
Yeah, and those fries are done.
Yeah, we're gonna do those. Just a second.
Ooh, scrumptious. And yeah, we're doing the frozen fries. But who cares?
Yeah.
It all tastes good, don't judge us.
But that right there was the basic tutorial on how to do my famous Hit Dem Folkz wings. We love you guys. Trucker Dad out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.